Hi there. Today I'm going to be doing a bit of public service announcement about why you need lubrication for your power armor.
So one of my actuators ended up breaking. That's because I didn't lube one of the joints right here. So the actuator ended up breaking at the weakest point, which is the plastic end cap, and it also ended up going so fast that it slipped right over the end stop button. So I'm going to be replacing the actuator and wiring it up. First we remove the cotter pin at the actuator's base. Then we undo the lock nut that holds the actuator's arm onto the frame. We attach the new linear actuator onto the frame by putting a cotter pin through the base. And slide the linear actuator's arm onto the bolt. And secure it with a lock nut. And of course, lube it up so this sort of thing doesn't happen again. Wire it up. And now we try it out. And since I have a linear actuator that's gone to crap, I figure why not take a look inside, see what it's like in there. The plastic cap is held on by a single screw, and the sheath for the screw drive is actually made of nylon, with lubrication inside, so that's a good thing. It has a metal gearbox, so don't have to worry about those breaking anytime soon. But the motors are non-standard, they're more kind of integrated into the chassis, so looks like I'll only be able to swap out various actuator motors with each other in case one breaks. So that kinda sucks, but hey, maybe I can figure something out. You can see the motor brushes are attached to the casing and not a separate unit into itself.
Well, here's the power armor, all lubed up, ready to fight them Rona zombies, just as soon as I figure out how to detach it from the stasis dock while I'm wearing it, so I can actually go walking off. So if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, share it with others, and if they don't find you handsome, they should at least find you handy. Bye-bye.